I drive a 2022 Kenworth T680. Did it up for Autism Society for my boy, so. My name is Joseph Phelps. I drive for Quality Life Science out of Coopersville, Michigan. We haul mainly pharmaceuticals, Pfizer, McKesson, so on and so forth. It's a 2022 Kenworth T680. It's got a Paccar motor in it. It has the 60-inch sleeper. We run light load, so I get great fuel mileage. But did it up for my boy. He actually bought this for me. He thought that was cool with the reflective lights, so I put it on the front of the truck. That's the first thing you see. So I just decided that his fight's my fight. If he go on in life dealing with that, then I can make everybody see what it's like. My son's name's Elijah.
Okay.
So it's his truck. I just make the money with it. Well, I changed out the stock front bumper because when I got the truck, it was actually cracked. So, and I just went with a little 12-inch drop bumper. Didn't want nothing big. Grill ad supplied the grill guard with the autism logo. I added the window chops and wrapped those, and then the rest of the murals I installed, except for the one on the rear of the truck. Added a new light bar with the 4 dual revolution lights on the back. I put the dual revolution lights on the sides. That's really it. I mean, mostly cosmetic work, not much mechanical work on it, so. On the interior, I've replaced all the interior lights with blue interior lights, so all my dome lights are blue. I've got multi-channel floor lighting, which normally I run them as blue. Right now they're flashing different colors. I have this logo and a metal plaque on the back of the sleeper that's also lit up. I've got the You Never Walk Alone fleece blanket. I have the Autism Society carpet in there. Took out the work mats and put in actual blue pleated floor mats. So tried to keep it blue with the lighted up blue theme.
Does the truck have a nickname or anything?
Daisy.
Daisy, okay.
Yes, a friend of mine with Stevens Transport, I drove a 68-mile-an-hour truck. This one set at 75, and I actually was on the phone with a buddy of mine in Florida, and truck come up beside me, and I said, well, looky here, I'm getting passed. And he goes, well, they're a daisy if they do. And I said, you know what? And it just stuck after that. I just love the message, getting the message out there. So, because a lot of people think of autism from the 70s and 80s as, they can't do much. And it's 100% not true. It's a special ability, not a disability. So they just see the world differently and they react differently. So.